How to format phone number in Excel in few seconds. Let's say you have a column of phone numbers and you want to format them to actually look like phone number. So let's get into it. First, select the entire column of the numbers. Then press Ctrl+1 to open the Format cell box. Click on Special, then choose Phone Number. Here we can't see the phone number. Then we need to change the location from English NG to English US. Then select Phone Number. This will format the number to look like a standard US phone numbers. To take it a bit further, go to the category and click on Custom. After the semicolon, add plus and hash to adjust the prefix format. This will make the number looks like international code. Click OK and there you go. Stay tuned for other tricks like these. That's it for today.